Hi, I'm Louisa Sijabat, a liquidator and bankruptcy trustee. So today's question is, there's a sole trader who's about to declare bankruptcy. He will cease his sole trading business prior to the bankruptcy. However, he won't get a chance to lodge his income tax return until after the date of bankruptcy. Is the tax debt from the sole trader business included and wiped out as part of the bankruptcy? The answer to this question is yes, because the debt was incurred, and the key word here is incurred, prior to bankruptcy. In this case, typically, the tax accountant for this sole trader would lodge two partial period tax returns, one from the date of the financial year up until the date prior to bankruptcy, and the second one from date of bankruptcy to the end of the financial year. As all of the debt relates to the sole trader business, that would be in the first income tax return, and that would be included as part of the debts wiped out by this person's bankruptcy.